Hey guys, I just wanted to really quickly kind of walk you through how you start with Qualtrics. There seems to be a little confusion, which is understandable when you've never used this before. So I'm going to start you at the TAMUCC website, and you are at iol.tamucc.edu/qualtrics.html. And this is where any TAMUCC student or faculty member can access our Qualtrics account. You click on Qualtrics. It will take you through Duo, and you'll have to sign up, but eventually it'll bring you to this screen. I use this program so much that it just kind of pushes me right through. But in order to start a new project, you're going to click this button right here, which says Create New Project. So you click that. And then right here, it says survey. You're going to create a survey. They have all these different surveys that if you ever use this and you're in a professional capacity, that they already have surveys that are complete that you can just copy and start from there. And these are our templates. We want a blank survey because we are creating our own survey. So we're going to click this button. We're going to click, we want it from a blank project. We want the project name. You can name it anything, but since we're talking about assignment 1, we can just name it assignment 1. And then you click get started. And then this is where it will take you. And my next set of tutorials will be able to walk you through where you go from here. But that's just a quick introduction into how do you get started with Qualtrics. Talk to you later.